How to unhide posts from Facebook timeline. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unhide posts from Facebook timeline. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let's get on with it. First, what you want to do is open up the Facebook app and then tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen just below the messaging icon. Once here, tap on settings. You can see settings icon just below the same three-line icon. And here scroll all the way down below until you get into your information, and under your information you can find the option activity log. Open this up and scroll all the way down below until you find logged actions and other activity options. Now go into view logged actions and here you'll get all your actions here. Now what we want to do is tap on the filter option. Now we'll filter it here and head into categories, and on categories you can see the option hidden from profile right here on the screen. Now tap on it and you'll find your hidden post, the post that you have hidden from timeline right here. Now to unhide it, what you can do is tap on the three dots that you can see on the post. You can select any post. Now since I have hidden only one post, then you can find the option add to profile and it will be added back to profile. So this way you can unhide a post on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.